Hi, it's Mark Berman, personal injury attorney. Today's podcast topic is how soon after an accident should you contact a personal injury lawyer? So let's say that you're injured in an accident. Wasn't even your fault. Now, whether your injury was caused in a car accident, by medical malpractice, by a defective product, in a slip and fall at a business or a store, or whether a dog bit you, the answer to the question is always the same. You need to contact a personal injury lawyer as soon as you can after an accident. There are at least three crucial reasons why this is the case. Number one, there are time limits to take legal action in order to get you compensation. If you miss a deadline, you'll likely never be able to get any compensation. And that applies no matter how much the other party was at fault or how bad your injury was. And in some cases, in New Jersey, for example, the first deadline can be as soon as 90 days after the accident. The second reason you want to contact a lawyer right away after an accident is that crucial evidence may disappear over time. Witnesses' memories fade. There may be surveillance video. Well, stores and police will discard that surveillance video after a time. Maybe skid marks on the road if it was a car accident. Those can fade. Those are just examples of the type of evidence that you need in order to win your case. If the evidence disappears, you may not win. Important evidence can start to disappear less than 24 hours after an accident. But an experienced personal injury attorney knows how to preserve that evidence, and that's why you should contact one as soon as possible after your injury. The third reason to contact a personal injury lawyer right away is that insurance companies may take advantage of an unrepresented victim. So let's say you don't contact an attorney. Well, the person who injured you will likely report the accident to their insurance company. At that point, the other insurance company may try and contact you and settle the claim cheaply for much less than you deserve before you can hire a lawyer. Or, at the same time, the insurance company, when it contacts you, may record the conversation and try to get you to say things that may hurt your case. Both of those things are bad, because if you say the wrong thing, you can ruin your case, and if you settle a case not knowing what it's really worth, you could be out a lot of money. However, if you contact a personal injury lawyer right away, neither of those things will likely happen. One of the first things that a personal injury attorney will do after an accident is to contact the other insurance company and demand that all future contact be made only through the attorney and his office. One more tip: when you do choose your personal injury attorney, make sure that they're experienced. The more years that they are practicing, the better, because only an experienced personal injury lawyer will know how to properly address all three of these concerns. A lawyer who doesn't have experience may never have tried a case and may not be familiar with all the evidence issues, for example, that go into a personal injury trial, or any trial for that matter, and thus may not know how to properly protect crucial evidence. That's today's podcast. If I can be of any help to any of you, feel free to call me at any time, 888-316-8288. That's 888-316-8288. Until next time, it's Mark Berman.